Welcome to this peaceful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac. Lush trees partially border this home, adding to the calming ambience and welcoming curb appeal. Entering the home, you are greeted warmly by the cozy open floor plan. First, is the bright living room has vaulted ceilings. Moving on is the dining room with access to the outdoor entertaining area. Next, is the spacious kitchen with ample counter space to spread out and create your culinary masterpieces. Then, there are the 3 large bedrooms, one of which is the primary with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Finally, the outdoor living space. The large backyard is fully fenced and offers both a covered deck and a patio area. This home offers